Hey everyone, welcome to Knowledge Academy's Cursive Review. So today we're just going to review what we learned in the past few videos, so if you haven't watched those two, please watch them now. So first I want you to write this sentence, "It is snowing outside," in cursive. And remember to always pause if you need to. The next sentence, "The bald eagle is a symbol of the United States of America." So please write that in cursive and always pause if you need to. After that, we have the nation's capital is Washington, D.C. So now I'm going to write a paragraph, and this time I want you to write a paragraph in cursive. So the paragraph is, "California is the most populated state in the country. Its major cities include Los Angeles and San Francisco." So write the paragraph in cursive. This time I'm going to write a paragraph in normal manuscript, and I want you to write it in cursive by your memory. And if you can't, just try to, but look back if you need to. But remember, always try to write it in cursive without looking. So the paragraph is, "Climate change is a major issue in today's world. Temperatures are rising because of the burning of fossil fuels." So write that in cursive, please. So now I'm going to write a few words in normal manuscript, and I ask that you write it in cursive. So the first word is flower. So write flower in cursive. Then the next word is rabbit. So please write rabbit in cursive. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. The next word is painting. After that, write the word television in cursive. Here's a hard one. Write the word communication in cursive. Finally, write the word highlighter in cursive. Let's just look at the numbers in cursive in case you need them. They're pretty similar to the normal numbers, but it's always good to know. So there's 1, followed by 2, with 3, and then there's 4, and 5 right after, and then there's 6, then 7, then 8, then 9, and finally 0. So that's it. After watching all 3 of these videos, you should be pretty experienced at cursive. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned.